Assalamu alaikum. Your Excellencies, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a distinct honor to speak today on behalf of the Arab Republic of Egypt. I wish to extend our sincere appreciation to the government of the Philippines, the city of Manalos, and the organizers of this important seminar. As you know that the halal industry is the most of matter of faith and a dynamic global market. Egypt, with its Islamic heritage and strategic position, has placed the halal at the core of its development agenda with Philippines, supported by Al-Azhar Sharif, the Ministry of Endowments. Egypt ensures the highest standards of Sharia compliance in food, cosmetics, leather, and Islamic banking. This credibility is recognized across the Arab and the Islamic world. The Philippines, in turn, offers strong export capacity in food and consumer goods and vibrant overseas community in Arab and Muslim countries, and a domestic Muslim population of around 13 million. And I'd like to shed attention to the visit of our Egyptian Minister of Endowment last July here, and her visit and meeting with Her Excellency Secretary of Trade and Industry, Her Excellency Maria Cristina. They drew attention to how the importance of this topic here in Philippines, as she conveyed the message that the development of halal industry has been placed among the priorities of His Excellency President Marcos. And from this perspective, we see clear opportunities for this collaboration, starting by establishing an office with the Egyptian experts here to support credible halal certification in the Philippines, if we can proceed with this. Second, to build the capacity in Philippine halal institution. And finally, to create an Egypt-Philippines Joint Business Council to boost trade and investment in the halal sector. And all of this regarding to our credibility, as I said, that we ensure the highest standards of Sharia according to the strategic and Islamic heritage Azhar Sharif that we host in Cairo. And also we see that together, by combining Egypt's credibility and expertise with the Philippines' industrial and export potential, we can build a partnership that not only meets the needs of Muslim communities, but also positions both nations as the leader in the global halal economy. Thank you for your kind attention.